Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get a beautiful Japanese-style screensaver on your Android TV. It's calm, elegant, and gives your TV a completely new vibe. Let's get started. Open Play Store on your TV. Go to search bar and search Japan YMP-TV Screensaver. Install Japan YMP-TV Screensaver. Open System Settings. Device Preferences. Scroll down and find Screensaver. Screensaver. Select Japan TV Screensaver and go back. Start now. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.